Today, Friday, February 22nd, 2019.
From NBC News, this is Today with Savannah Guthrie and Hoda Kotb.
Thank you. Just ahead, an exciting and eye-opening new travel trend. Why those popular DNA test kits have more families hitting the road. Are you planning your summer getaways? Well, if you are, there's a new travel trend that could make your trip extra special. It's all tied to those wildly popular DNA test kits, and our senior international correspondent, Keir Simmons, is checking it out. Keir, good morning.
Hey there, guys. Good morning. Imagine if your DNA could connect you with an incredible place like this. That's what's happening now. People using cutting-edge technology to trace their family histories. Welcome to Naples, Florida. Here, Steve Balestreri and his 82-year-old dad are discovering their Italian DNA.
The DNA test, and it shows that I'm 39% Italian Sicilian here.
Together, they are about to make the trip of a lifetime to the ancient Mediterranean island of Sicily in search of their ancestors.
I really don't think you really know who you are unless you know where you came from.
Your DNA tells a story.
DNA tests are now widely available from companies like Ancestry, 23andMe, and MyHeritage. They tell people broadly where they're from. But now, travel company Go Ahead and Ancestry offer unique group DNA tours to discover more.
People who are getting a DNA kit want to go and feel a part of that heritage and learn the stories of their past to bring back to their families.
First stop, the fishing village of Termine Imerese. For hundreds of years, the Balestreri family made their living from the sea.
The economy really went bad during the 1870s and 1880s.
Expert genealogist George Ott, who travels with the group, has researched the Balestreri family history.
This is the church your ancestors had their sacraments in.
Taking Steve and his dad to the places where generations of Balestreris were born.
Just think how many of our relatives have been baptized right here.
Grew up.
This is where they lived. This is the little street they played on.
And died.
It's so good to see my Aunt Rosemary here.
In a cafe, there's a chance to grab an espresso.
They are from Milwaukee.
Before the tour continues to the records office, where the genealogists have uncovered an important document.
These are the signature of Maria Gagliotto and your grandfather, Salvatore Balestreri.
That's amazing.
Just unbelievable.
It's like this was yesterday.
It was Steve's great-grandfather, Salvatore, who was the first Balestreri to make it to America. But his wife did not.
On the boat over to America, Maria died. They gave up a lot. She gave up her life.
Despite that tragic start to his new life, Salvatore was determined to make it in America. This is your history right here.
Right.
My great-grandfather would go through the streets yelling, tomatoes, cantaloupes, or whatever.
And from that humble grocery card grew today's hugely successful family business. Can you still spot a good orange?
I could do anything.
Time for lunch, but this famous fish restaurant is special.
Buongiorno.
Owner Francesco and his brother are Balestreris too. Today, the two families meet for the first time.
I love the Balestreri in the world.
Francesco preparing a feast in their honor, with other members of the Balestreri clan, old and young, all recorded here on the family tree.
What it comes down to is, okay, everybody's interrelated after so many years.
They're a very friendly group.
Over 10 million people have taken an Ancestry DNA test. So as more people take them in more and more countries, it's going to be exciting to be able to connect to places and people in those countries that wasn't possible before.
I wish I was Sicilian.
Salute.
And after that typically long Sicilian lunch, there's just time for one last stop.
Francesco Balestreri.
And two houses, just a few yards apart.
So some of your relatives lived in this house? Yes.
And some of your relatives lived in a house there?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Did they get along?
Of course.
They married.
Oh, they got married?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So many memories to take home. Bonds once broken, now a family found across the ocean. So the message is, go out there and find out about your history before, honestly, it's too late. And now you have DNA to help you. Guys?
Simmons.
I'm jealous.
I'm in.
I want to do that trip.
Yes.
I still think about Uncle Al's when he went to Senegal.
Yeah.
So beautiful.
Amazing. So moving.
As more people take these tests,
Yeah.
one of the good things I think is we're all going to find out that we're a lot more connected than we realize.
Yeah.
We might be cousins.
I think we are.
We might be cousins.